Good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Gutierrez. I am an assistant principal at Carter Junior High, and I'm making a video real quick for you guys so that I can share some information with you. I'm going to be showing you guys, first of all, how to access, um, I'm sorry, good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Gutierrez. I'm one of the assistant principals at Carter Junior High, and I'm making this video for you guys so that you will know how to access your student schedule. Since I'm not a student, I can't actually go all the way in, but I'm going to take you most of the way. And as you see, I'm sharing my screen here with you guys so you can see that I'm starting from the Arlington ISD, actually the Arlington ISD website. And so you can see the tabs up here where it says home, district, departments, students, families, and staff. As a student trying to access your schedule, you're going to want to click on the students tab up here at the top, and you'll see that it takes you to one of the pages here that has all of the apps that you actually have access to. If you need any help with password uh, information, you can log in or click on this tab here. But for the purpose of this short video, I'm going to show you how to access your student schedule. So you're going to click on the student self-serve tab here, and then scroll down to where it says student self-serve, and then you're going to click on existing users, please sign in here. And then what's going to happen is it's going to pop up this new window, and you're going to scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to click on sign in with or just sign in here. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to enter your user ID and your password. Um, I can't tell you exactly what your user ID and password is, but you should know that. If you don't know what that is, then you're going to need to go in and click on that tab that I showed you just a minute ago for student password help. But for the purpose of accessing your schedule, once you sign in here onto this student self-serve login page, it's going to take you to another page, and on that page, it will show just some tabs across the top. When the tabs pop up, one of the tabs will actually be report card. If you click on the report card, then your schedule will pop up. And what I would suggest doing is make sure that you write down your list of teachers, because what's going to happen at that point is it's going to actually, you're going to get out and then you're going to go into Canvas. And so that's going to be my next schedule here, or my next little piece of this video is to show you guys how to get into your Canvas. And I'm going to go into mine here in just a minute, but um, for your sake, you're going to click on students once again. And as you can see, Canvas is one of your um, tabs that's up here on the top. And so what you're going to do is click on the Canvas page. Once you have your student, your class schedule, you'll log in using your credentials once again, and you can see you're going to have a lot of apps that pop up, as do I. You won't have all the ones I have, but the important one for you is to log into Canvas, and then you're going to go and search for your teachers' courses. And you can see up at the top, you may have um, a note for you where you've been invited to a specific class. Like I've been invited into a class for digital citizenship and net etiquette as a teacher, so I can go in and actually use that to teach the course. You guys, it should say for yours that you've been invited to join a certain class as a student. Okay, you're going to go ahead and accept that, but then what you're going to do is you're going to look through, and you should have a list of information there, and then you'll have published courses. If you don't see your teacher's courses in there, you're going to go in and you're going to look for them over here in Commons, and look for in your courses tab as well. But what you can do is, just like you guys did last year, and find your teacher's um, page in Canvas, and then you're going to start doing the modules and the lessons that are in there. One of the things that I do want to tell you guys is that you're going to have to make sure that you're doing the work in every single class every day. You're not going to have each teacher in all of those classes, um, but you can also make sure that you're logging into the Canvas teacher page every period, every day, just to make sure that you're getting the work done for them. So what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to exit out of here and I'm going to go back to the AISD homepage. Um, and then I'm going to show you guys, the last thing I'm going to show you is how to change your password. And so once again, you're going to go to the Students tab up here at the top, and you can see immediately it says password reset. And here this message shows all student passwords have been reset this past week. This is the process that we recommend to students for access to Chromebooks for online instructions. You can actually view the instructions in English or in Spanish for accessing or the password for the Chromebook, and it actually takes you through the process if the Chromebook actually asks you for that. And so now what I'm going to do is to go back to this student page, and you can see the other options I have. Rapid identity applications, which is where you actually go to reset your password. Um, and then password help. I'm going to go through both of these for you guys so that you can see exactly what it is. This tells you how to use the rapid identity system for any of you that might be new students. It'll show you how to do the rapid identity login, and then staff, that's for teachers. But then there's a guide here for you to go in, and we are actually secondary. It's the Rapid Identity app guide. It takes you through all of these applications that are here. We're not going to do that right now, but you can see there's a lot of help for you guys to log in if you don't have. Mine's going right in because I actually have already logged in. But if you need password help, you can see it's down here at the bottom. There's actually tutorials here for helping you log in with your default password, which is the password that everyone used last year. And that's the one that the district has changed for you. And then you've got it tells you how to set your challenge questions. That way you can ensure that no one else is hacking into your Canvas, your rapid identity passwords and your Canvas courses. And so and then there's the video here for help resetting your password because the district has actually changed the password for everybody. And what I will tell you is that once you get into rapid identity to change your password, it asks you specific information. You actually have to enter the information it asks from you in a very specific way. So I want to make sure that you guys pay really close attention to the format that it's asking you to change your password on. And so hopefully you guys can get through that. If you have any issues with that, then reach out to the school. You can call the school at 682-867-1700, or your parents can, and see if they can help you get access to that as well. I know I've helped several students that have come by the school that have needed help with that password. So hopefully you guys have gotten enough information on where to go. Like I said, there's is a tutorial down here at the tutorials down here at the very bottom of this student page for you to actually reset, help reset your passwords. And if you need any other things, hopefully you can get those questions answered. Now, once you log in and have changed your password, you're logging into your teacher's Canvas pages. Hopefully, you guys can ask them or email your teachers any questions you might have, because I know that some days you'll be meeting live with your teachers via Zoom. They'll send you the Zoom links, and other days you won't. So, as far as the schedule for that, you can send an email question through your or a message through the Canvas course that you're actually in. Hopefully you guys have found this recording useful, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great year at Carter. Thank you.